Well, there's a lot of things in the world of meteorology and weather, fancy terms, things we throw around. Today we're going to talk about a downburst, a microburst or a macroburst. What the heck is that, and what does it mean when one's occurring? Let's start with a look at a thunderstorm that occurs in the summertime. Vertically, these can go 30,000 plus feet. It's pretty high in the atmosphere. That's rising air. That's vertical motion. That means hail cores at times, lots of rain. And all that eventually has to come down. So how the heck do we get from some cumulus clouds to this setup? So of course you have your inflow. This is the updraft. That is what is fueling these thunderstorms. Eventually it gets to a point of kind of equilibrium. You've got updrafts going in, but you also now have downdrafts going out of the storm. Eventually there's so much mass within this thunderstorm that it can no longer be supported by the updraft. And guess what happens? All of that comes down in one spot. If you've ever turned on a sink faucet, the water goes down straight out into the sink. That's a lot like a downburst. So what is a micro versus a macro? Well, it's as simple as the size. You look at a microburst, this is going to be less than 2.5 miles in diameter. That's pretty small. That's a concentrated area of heavy rain, sometimes hail, and gusty winds. Very tough to predict, but very common in the summertime, and they can be damaging. A macroburst just happens on a larger scale, usually part of a larger thunderstorm, and these can be a little bit more impactful given the overall size. But trees down, you'll sometimes have power outages, so these can be sneaky, pop up often in the summertime. With our going forecast, it'll be something that we watch closely here across the southeast the next couple of days.